Hey there, beauty enthusiasts!
Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we bring you the hottest beauty products and dissect them to give you the lowdown. Today, we have something really exciting to talk about. The Sheglam Sun Sculpt Cool Toned Liquid Contour Stick. If you've been on the hunt for the best bronzer and contour in the market, you're in the right place. This product is making waves, and we're here to find out if it's truly worth the hype. But before we dive into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss our reviews on the latest beauty must-haves. Alright, let's get started. The Sheglam Sun Sculpt Cool Toned Liquid Contour Stick is not just your ordinary bronzer and contour. With 101 million plus views on TikTok, it's a viral sensation, and we're about to find out why. First off, let's talk about the packaging. It's sleek, compact, and travel-friendly, making it perfect for on-the-go touch-ups. Plus, it comes in various shades to cater to different skin tones. We've got the shade Warm Honey here, which is a fantastic choice for those with warmer undertones. Now, the unique sponge applicator is what sets this product apart. It makes application a breeze, even for beginners. Whether you're a makeup pro or just getting started, you'll appreciate how easy it is to use. Well, I've swatched it here, and as you can see, the color is beautifully pigmented. It's not overpowering, which is perfect for achieving a natural sculpted look. The Sheglam Sun Sculpt Contour Stick boasts a cream gel formula that's incredibly easy to blend. It allows you to create a seamless, sculpted finish without any hassle. And guess what? It's long-lasting, so your stunning contour will stay put all day. That's a wrap on today's review, folks. If you've tried this product or have any questions, let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your makeup-loving friends. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, stay fabulous and keep experimenting with those beauty products. Bye, beauties!